Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 21 is related expressions. It says Cypress is making a rectangular frame to hold a photo of her best friend Clifford. The length of the frame is 5 more than 3 times the width. The perimeter of the frame needs to be 186 inches. What are the dimensions of the frame? So my question asks for the dimensions of the frame. That means I want to find both the width and the length of the frame. Since it says she's making a rectangular frame, I'm going to draw a picture. So I have a rectangle. I know that the length is 5 more than 3 times the width. That means that I would call the width x. And I'm going to express the length of the frame as 3 times x plus 5. That would be 3 times the width, and more than indicates addition, and I'm going to add 5 to that. I know that the perimeter is 186 inches, and the perimeter is the distance around the outside of the figure. So both widths would be x, and both lengths would be 3x plus 5. So I would have 2 widths, both at x, plus 2 lengths, both at 3x plus 5, and that would equal to 186, which is the total perimeter. Now I'm going to solve the equation. The left side needs to be simplified. 2 times x is 2x, and I have a distributive property. 2 times 3x is 6x, and 2 times 5 is 10. That will still be equal to 186. Now I'm going to combine like terms. 2x plus 6x is 8x plus 10, which is equal to 186. And now I have a two-step. I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. 10 minus 10 is 0, or as some people say it cancels out. 0 plus 8x is 8x, and 186 minus 10 is 176. Then I'll divide both sides by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1x, and 176 divided by 8 is 22. So x equals 22, which is the length of the width. So the width is 22 inches. Now I'm going to find the length of the frame. That would be 3 times x, which is 22, plus 5. 3 times 22 is 66, and 66 plus 5 is 71. So the length of the frame is 71 inches.